Derek DeBrosse, the gun lawyer.
Ohio gun lawyer here, answering questions today. Next one is, or asks rather, does Ohio law recognize out-of-state licenses in the same manner as they recognize their own CHL? Absolutely. My simple rule of thumb with regards to reciprocity, when you're in another state or someone with a license where that Ohio recognizes, and we recognize as long as it's a validly issued concealed handgun license, all 50 states, you do as the Romans do. Whatever the law is in the state of Ohio, if you have an out-of-state license and you're in Ohio, you have to obey our laws. So it's as though you have an Ohio license. Next question, we have one other question regarding that. In Ohio, does the CHL have any further special treatment compared to an out-of-state carry license for out-of-state residents? No, it doesn't. If we recognize it as a valid concealed handgun license, there's nothing special just simply because you're out of state. The only real difference that'll come up is that it may not show up on the leads check when they run your license plate. It just depends on the state that the issue is licensed from. And then the final question along this thread is there anything I should be concerned with regards to staying in a hotel if I'm visiting on a trip to Ohio with a long gun that I carry legally in my trunk and I bring the gun into the hotel? The only thing I can really think of is you want to make sure it's okay with the hotel, obviously. As long as the firearm is legally carried according to Ohio laws, it's unloaded, the action's locked open, it's in a case, box, bag, or case, that sort of thing, and you're transporting it correctly. And again, ohiogunlawyer.com, I got a whole page on how to carry a firearm correctly. I got a whole video on this channel where I actually show you how to carry long guns. As long as that's all complied with, the only thing I can think of is make sure it's okay with the hotel to have that gun in there, and that when you transport it from the gun into the hotel, you're transporting the gun safely.